Well, we're going to start with Newton's first law. That's going to be the law of inertia. What is inertia? Well, let's say you have an object. Let's say you have like a little car somewhere, like here. I'm going to draw like a very random car here. There you go, and here. And here's this little car. And it's going to be moving just like in a direction. Uh, well, if you take away all external forces, that is, you take away gravity that's going down, and you take away the friction force that's gonna go like on the other way in which this car is moving around, and we'll take everything from it, and well, you're gonna get just left with the velocity. Okay, that velocity is the inertia. Okay, that's gonna be the thing that will never change, and that's just a property of this object. Okay, that's inertia. Now, let's say we're traveling in a plane, and that plane is just moving in a direction, okay? A given direction, whatever it is. And well, we're gonna say that we have this little ball that's gonna be there. If the velocity in which the plane is flying is constant, that means that the acceleration is gonna be zero. This little ball is gonna be static, okay? This is the first case. Whenever we're moving at a constant velocity and the acceleration is zero, that means that little ball is going to be static. What does that mean? Well, actually it means that our frame of reference can be valid because there will be no external forces at it. Okay? We can consider that that little ball is just going to be there in the middle of everything. But what happens if, well, that's like the second case here. What happens if this little ball is like moving because the velocity, well, like, it's not a good enough color. Let me change it. I don't know, this one. What happens if the velocity, yeah, better. The velocity is not constant, not constant. That means the acceleration is different than zero. Okay? That means that little ball is going to start moving somewhere, either to here or the other way, or it's going to start moving from left to right or whatever. Okay? So this is not a valid frame of reference because acceleration is going to be zero, and we cannot assume that our frame of reference is valid. Okay? So this little ball will be just like wandering from here to here or here to here or here to here, or here to here. Okay, therefore our frame of reference is not cool enough and we don't like it. Okay, so once again, if acceleration remains zero, it's a frame of reference that can be valid if, because there are no forces, going to be external forces on an object, but if that acceleration is not zero, well, pretty much we're busted.